to join our top 10, and that is Lynn Isa! Victorious!
Lady in red tonight.
That's right.
Good evening. Please pick your question. And you have chosen question number 6.
Yeah.
Your question is from Rene Napenas. And the question is, in this day and age of social media, who do you think among the three has the most powerful voice in influencing others? A, beauty queen, a TikTok influencer, or a politician? Again, in this day and age of social media, who do you think among the three has the most powerful voice in influencing others? A beauty queen, a TikTok influencer, or a politician?
As a beauty queen, I think the most influential is, of course, a beauty queen. Because joining beauty pageants, I utilize social media to know what is right. And one thing that I've learned is that the most important sale in your life is to sell yourself to yourself. And it's a reminder to beauty queens that at the end of the day, the biggest and toughest critic that we have is ourselves. It's the same influence I bring in Lynn Isang Negros, that in order for me to showcase my potential with the help of the amazing people around me, is a woman who believes in herself first. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that answer.
Wow.
Maliban sa competition.
That's right. Thank you so much, by the way, to Mr. Kit in Shaw for serenading our ladies. And of course, ay nako, grabe, naririnig ko na naman. Parang nasa pier tayo, Robby.
I know. We got different queens right here on the stage.
Yes, their gowns feature the architectural wonders of their different LGUs, of course, of our Lynn Eyes. From their festival costumes to their swimwear. Hanggang ngayon sa evening gowns nila, makikita mo pa rin yung history ng kanilang LGU, yung story ng kanilang LGUs.
And right now on the stage, you are looking at 29 queens oozing with the beauty and grace. Palakpakan po natin our 29 different Lynn Eyes in the evening gown.
Nako, pero from 29, we'll be trimming them down to 10 Lynn Eyes.
From 29 to 10, the big question is, sino-sino kaya ang papasok sa ating top 10? Oh, I saw that. Some of our Lynn Eyes, with their smiles, game face on talaga. Sari-saring mga LGUs ang narinig natin ngayon. At parang bumalik yung pier.
Kaya na naman, bring it on tayo. Grabe. Good job, ladies, by the way.
Yes, and I'm sure, I'm super certain that this year we're gonna be having a very difficult time in choosing